guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Eats. Today we're going to be making a lamb meatloaf with a gravy on top and green beans on the side. Let's get started. Let's start with adding garlic, onion, and dried basil to a medium heat pan. Next we're going to beat 1 egg, add it to a large bowl, and then add salt and pepper. Next we're going to mix in our breadcrumbs. Add in 1 pound of lamb, and then add in your onions once they've cooled. Then we're going to mix in tomato ketchup, or you can do tomato sauce. We're going to grease our loaf pan. Let's bake this at 350 for 50 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare our veggies. I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and add pepper and salt. Bake this at 350 for 20 minutes. And now for our gravy, we're going to add ketchup, honey, and soy sauce. And then we'll mix it up and you can warm it if you like. And now our meatloaf is ready. It's super tasty and great for dinner. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.